Okay, for English 2, January 11th, you're going to read for 10 minutes. After that, you have a quick write and an article of the week. Click here or click next. You're going to read this, and then you're going to read this, and then for 5 minutes you have to answer one of these. Okay, make sure you time yourself, give yourself 5 minutes and try to type as much as you can, answering one or more of these in 5 minutes. Once you're finished, click next. You have an article of the week. You're going to read and annotate the article. You're going to write a reflection, and I will show you how to begin this assignment. So you're going to go to the bottom. Again, the article is here, but you'll have to click this. It's going to open up in a new window. And then you're going to click here. It says File. Click it again. And this is your article of the week. Pro-Trump mob storms U.S. Capitol. So you're going to read it. And maybe there's a few words you're unsure about. You're going to have to type out those words, find what they mean, and type it at the bottom here. So let's say fair and square is something that you don't understand. You're going to underline it, make it in bold. You're going to copy it, paste it here at the bottom. You're going to look it up, fair and square. You can either use the meaning here that shows up, or this one, Merriam-Webster. This is the website, fair and square. Copy it, put it at the bottom. You're going to paste it. And so you're going to write questions, at least 2 of them, on the side, and summarize 2 sections of your article. So maybe your question is going to be here. Make it bold. Why did they yell with Trump flags? Again, you're going to have to use your own questions, but I'm using these as an example. And again, you have to summarize 2 sections of the article. Maybe you're going to summarize this section or this one, but you have 3 choices. After you're done summarizing it, you're going to write a reflection, half a page, and you can type that at the bottom here. Continue typing here. Put reflection, and then continue typing here. And from there, if you're unsure what to type, these are the questions that you can use to type for your reflection. The first 2 sentences should summarize what the article is about. And then from there, you put your own ideas. If you have questions, send me a message, text me. Have a good day.